All right, so I'm back clearing out this truck after an explosion. That I was hospitalized for the last month. I don't know if you've seen my last video or not, the update, but I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that we found. This is the blender, the components of the blender that I used. Right, so I wasn't paying attention and I mixed oxidizers and fuels when I was trying to I was trying to put out these kits. But so we have ground zero over here, which just melted that whole thermal barrier, and then up on the roof you can see that it's completely scorched. And then we found these pieces of blender shrapnel in the ceiling. And let me just get a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me get this out. Look at this. How? Yeah, this is God, dude. I was holding the blender. I was holding it. And none of this hit me. It's just crazy. Oh, sorry, I forgot about this. Hold on. This is the shirt that I was wearing when this blender exploded, right? Let me just find the... Is this the top? No? What is this? All right, so let's look at this. This is the back of the shirt, okay? And this is the front. I was wearing this and it blasted off. It melted. I got scorched, but I didn't get hit by shrapnel. I lost all the hair on my face and stuff, which I've already, explained, but I can see, and like my face is okay. My arms got fucked up and all, but I don't know. This just is like a miracle. It's like, yeah, I learned my lesson about the science, but like, this is God. I don't know how else to explain it, it just blows my fucking mind. Anyway, okay, love you, bye.